How to delete all your Facebook friends in one click. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your Facebook friends in an easy way or in one click. Now, open the app and make sure you are logged into your ID. You'll get an interface like this. Now, go to three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. From here, scroll down below and you'll find the option Friends. Now tap on it. And here you'll get suggestions and you can go to your friends. Now what you can do is tap on the three dots that you can see beside your friend, and here you can either unfriend them from here or you can unfollow them as per your wish. Now the trick is Facebook doesn't allow you or give any feature that you can unfriend all of them at once, but the easiest way is to head over here and then tap on the three dot and just keep on unfriending as much you want. So this way you can delete all your Facebook friends in an easier way. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.